Hello and welcome to Sharjah. This is the introductory guide of things to do in this really interesting United Arab Emirate. My name's Abby, this is Inside the Travel Lab and we are in Sharjah. Day one, I've got the city of Sharjah and its amazing annual Festival of Lights. So this is the Sharjah Light Festival and it's the final night. You can just see the call to prayer, hear the call to prayer behind me because I'm standing outside the Al Noor Mosque, which is central, and as you can see it's actually also part of this huge art installation. Welcome to the Museum of Islamic Civilization in Sharjah. So it is day two of our time here in Sharjah and we're heading off into the desert. Now, I've met camels before, they're cantankerous creatures, so I wonder how we are going to get on today. It's here in the Arabian Peninsula that mankind first made its very big move from Africa across the Red Sea. So that is it on the best things to go and see and do in Sharjah in 3 days, although I'd probably recommend you giving yourself 4 to 5 to really make the most of it. Thank you so much for watching and joining us here. Any questions, please do ask in the comments below. Any likes, thumbs up, gratefully received, and please do hit subscribe. This video is part of a series, so if you're interested in travel to Sharjah or the Middle East, stay tuned because there are other videos to come on that subject. And if you're interested in travel in general, anywhere around the world, please do hit subscribe. We cover every country. We look at UNESCO, sustainable travel, food, culture, and just basically trying to travel, have a good time, and make the world a better place. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers now. Bye.